Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing fashion design. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the world of fashion design. AI technologies. Designers can create unique and innovative designs that would have been impossible. In this article, we will explore the various ways AI is being used in fashion design. One of the most significant benefits of using AI in fashion design is the ability to predict future fashion. AI can analyze vast amounts of data from social media, search engines, and other sources too. This information can then be used to create designs that are. Another way that AI is transforming fashion design is through its ability to select the best materials for by analyzing the properties of various materials and their suitability for different types. Materials that are eco-friendly and sustainable, which is becoming increasingly important in the fashion. AI is also capable of generating unique designs that are impossible for human designers to create. Using algorithms and deep learning techniques, AI can create designs that are completely original, and this technology is especially useful for creating patterns, and AI is also being used to create virtual fitting rooms that allow customers to try on clothes without. By using augmented reality and computer vision technologies, customers can. Useful for online retailers who want to provide their customers with a more interactive shopping. Finally, AI is being used to create personalized clothing designs that are tailored to the individual needs. By analyzing customer data, AI can create custom designs that take into account factors. Unique clothing designs that are perfectly suited to their needs and tastes.
Hello, today's video is over. I hope you like it. Support us with a like and the bell button, and press the subscribe button to get you new. Goodbye. Greetings from Foù Àd Fashion Show.